In this lecture, we will learn about template strings, which help us define long strings in our application that can span across lines. Go to your text editor, grab the previous script, create a new script, paste it, clean up the script block, within which define let quote is equal to, within double quotes, you are the, in ES5 or before ES6, we'll have to do plus and then go on to the next line, creator of plus within double quotes your destiny. So if you want to spread your string across lines, this is how we have to do it. We have to use a plus operator, then the quotes at the beginning and the end of each string. And if you want to have each of these on a new line, you'll have to use the /n, the new line character. ES6 makes our life a lot easier. We need not do all this. You can simply use the backtick operator, which is below your escape key on the keyboard, just before the digit 1. So use the backtick, define you are the, enter, creator of your, next line, destiny, and close the black tick operator, semicolon, console.log of quote. Save the file as template strings.html. Open the template string in the web browser, go to the console, and you see the output beautifully formatted. Each of those strings went on to a new line automatically. So that's the template string or the backtick operator for you.